Yeah. Can I ask you something, darling? Don't worry, it's not what you think. I've seen pretty girls before, but you don't fit in that category. Cause beauty fades into the background when you start talking. The way you carry yourself got elegance all over it, like your mama raised a queen and heaven signed the certificate. You don't walk into a room, you change the atmosphere. Every conversation stops when you appear. And I ain't even trying to flatter you, I'm just saying what everybody sees. Cause girl, you got something money can't buy, and that's dangerous. So tell me, what's your type? What kind of man catches your eye? Is he smooth? Is he funny? Does he make you laugh all night? What's your type? Cause I've been trying to figure it out ever since you walked in and turned this whole room upside down. Girl, tell me, what's your type? Is he the kind that buys roses or writes letters by hand? The kind that remembers your birthday without setting reminders in his phone? Does he hold your hand in public? Does he pray before he sleeps? Does he look at you like you're the answer to a question he asked his whole life? Cause if that's what you're looking for, maybe I should introduce myself. Cause every little thing about you makes me wanna be better than I was yesterday. So tell me, what's your type? What kind of man deserves your smile? The kind that can fly you to Paris or stay and make your world worthwhile. What's your type? Cause I've been searching for the answer since the moment that we met, and honestly, I ain't figured it out yet. Girl, tell me, what's your type? Maybe you don't care about money, maybe you don't care about fame. Maybe all you really want is somebody who stays the same. When the lights go off, when the world gets hard, when the world gets hard, when life ain't Instagram pretty, maybe you just want somebody to love you sincerely. And if that's true, then baby, I got one more question. What's your type? What's your type? Cause if your type is loyalty, then I'm right here. If your type is honesty, then I'm right here. If your type is somebody who choose you every day, even when forever gets difficult, then baby, I'm right here. So tell me, what's your type? Maybe it's me. Can I ask you something one last time? What's your type? Cause I've been hoping the answer sounds a little like me.